So hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. This is a tutorial video. In this tutorial we are going to see how you can buy Floki Inu. So yes, before starting this video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to our channel and press bell icon as well. I will be sharing that how you can buy Floki Inu on desktop and how you can buy Floki Inu on the mobile as well. So let's start the video. So you can see, let me show you the current price. You can see 3 zeros followed by 1.5 is the current price. It has increased by 20% in the last 24 hours, which is a positive sign. And let me show you some more stats as well. And you can see the trading volume has increased by 21%, and currently the trading volume is $35 million. That is a good number to see for the Floki Inu. Let me show you where it is listed. It is listed on Gate.io. It is on the PancakeSwap. It is also on the Uniswap for Ethereum as well. But yeah, the cost for Ethereum is very high. The fee for Ethereum is very high. So what I recommend, you can rather buy on the PancakeSwap or the Gate.io. So what you need to do is you need to copy. If you want to buy on PancakeSwap, what you need to do is you need to click on this more and copy this address, and then you can do the same. You can scroll down and just click on the PancakeSwap, and this will open this thing, and you can see here's a pair of BNB and cake as well. And let me show you, here's the pair of Floki and BNB. WBNB, it means wrapped BNB. So let me click on this one, and let me just paste the address. Let me just click import, click I understand, and import. As you can see, Floki, and let me type like 50, not exactly 50, 0. Okay, 5, and it will get me around like 2 million 336, yeah, 2 million Floki Inus in just 0.5 BNB. Yeah, you can buy with the help of this one as well. And you can see here is the option of connect wallet. You need to connect your MetaMask wallet, Wall Connect, or Trust wallet, and there are more options as well. Token Pocket, Binance Chain, Math wallet, and some more as well. You can, once connect that, you have the BNB in that, you can buy this one as well. But it will also have some slippage fees of what you can select over here, which can be like maybe 1%, or you can type the slippage as well, like 10%. So yeah, now it will be done with the help of 10%. It means that if you buy for $20, the 10% of that will be gone. It means for $2 or $3 will be gone from that as well. But if you buy on the exchange, centralized exchange, then you will get for, if you buy for $20, you will get for $19.999. So it means you will get for almost the money you are paying, you will get for all the money, just a little trading fee. But what you need to do is you can click on the sign up button if you don't have account on the Gate.io. What I recommend, I have given link of Gate.io in description, and once you sign up with my link, once you deposit $150 in your Gate.io account with my if you sign up with my link, then you will get additional $50 in your account. So yeah, that's a big bonus. Yeah, if you are looking to get a bonus on your cryptocurrency, yes, you can use any of the exchanges which I have given link in description, and you will receive the bonuses which I have mentioned. Once you log in, you need to just search, let me show you, here's the option. You can search Floki, and yeah, here's the option Floki USDT, and here's a liquidity mining pool. But let me show you, you can need to type Floki, and here is the option Floki USDT, and here we go. And here's the thing how you can buy. You can type the amount of Floki, or you can type the total USD. Like I am typing $50, and I will get this much amount of the Floki Inus. So yeah, you can buy this way and you can sell this way. Once you log in, there will be option of buy. Once you have logged in and created your account and you have done the verification, you will get the sell option as well. So once you buy, you have the option to sell as well. So before that, you need to create an account. Now let's move towards the mobile version. So I am onto my mobile screen. As you can see, I have showed you the desktop version, that how you can buy the Floki Inu. So now it's time for the mobile version as well. Once you log into your Gate.io account, then you need to do one thing, is that you need to click on trade, and then the next step which you need to do is, you have USDTs in your account. You can type USDT, like I can type 50, and you can see this much amount of Floki Inu I will get with this price. And if I type 500, and this is the amount of Floki Inus which I will get with this amount of USDTs. Let me type Okay, let me type $100, and you can see here is the amount of Floki Inu which I will get at this price. So that's really amazing, that's really cool, and yeah, I love it. So yeah, you can use this process as well, and in this way you can click on the buy button and you can buy the Floki Inus as well. So yeah, this was the video, and see you next time. Bye guys. As you have seen the mobile version, that how you can create your how you can buy Floki Inu on your mobile phone from the Get IU exchange. So this is the method how you can buy. I have made a video on the Shiba Inu, how you can buy Shiba Inu. I have made a video on the Kishu Inu as well. I have made a video on Satama Inu. So yeah, I am making these kind of tutorials as well. If you find this content amazing, and if you want to support the channel, you can just hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and press bell icon, and hit the like for the YouTube algorithm as well, so that this video reaches more people. And thank you so much for watching this video till the end. See you next time. Bye.